The very best methods to create a video that grabs attention and skyrockets your views. What's the best way to make a YouTube video? YouTube is a popular video platform that has over 1.9 billion monthly active users and has more than 1 billion hours of video watched each day. It is the perfect platform for creators and businesses to promote their products or services. However, it can be difficult to know what content will resonate with viewers and how to create videos that will make an impact on the viewer's life. In this video, we will explore different ways you can create a YouTube video, which will hopefully be well received. Let's learn more about what makes a good YouTube video and how they are created. How to create a captivating video with storytelling elements. The video is the future of content marketing. It is easy to digest and allows you to quickly reach your target audience. A captivating video can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your brand. There are many storytelling elements that can be used in videos to make them more interesting. These elements include setting, characters, dialogue, plot, conflict, resolution, and theme. Always try to make YouTube video on recent topic or trending topic to create a video that will skyrocket your views. According to the YouTube Creators Academy, a few of the most popular YouTube video topics include entertainment, food, gaming, beauty and fashion, music, sports, science and technology, travel. These are some of the most searched topics on YouTube. So tailoring your YouTube channel around these genres will help garner your YouTube channel some organic views. How can I make my YouTube video viral with 0 subscribers? The best way to make your video go viral is to create a video that people will like and share. For example, if you are making a video about veganism, the first thing you should do is research what other videos on the topic have done well. Then, you can use those ideas and techniques to improve your own video. How long can it take for your YouTube videos to go viral? YouTube videos can go viral in a matter of hours, days, or even weeks. There are many factors that affect the speed at which a video goes viral. The first factor is the content of the video. Videos with relatable content, emotional messages, and those that are shared by influencers have a higher chance of going viral than others. The second factor is the number of views it receives in its first few hours on YouTube. For example, if a video has 10,000 views in its first hour on YouTube, then it has a higher chance of going viral than one with less views in its first hour. The third factor is how many people share it within their social circles after watching it for the first time. How to create a compelling video with catchy music. A catchy song can make an ordinary video interesting. The right music can draw the viewer in and keep them engaged with the content. It is not easy to find a good song for a video, but here are some tips to help you create that perfect video. Choose a song that fits the mood of your video. Choose a song that has a similar feel as your video. Choose a song with lyrics that fit the mood of your video. How to make viral videos for guaranteed success. Videos are the most popular content on social media. Videos are shared on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram more than any other type of content. A video can go viral for many reasons. If it's entertaining and fun to watch. If it has a good message that resonates with people. If it's short and easy to digest. If it's relatable to the audience. Having a good thumbnail that features something trending, extreme, or even clickbaits like a sexual image. Getting ranked first on YouTube is crucial when trying to go viral. It all relies on description tags and shares. The more keywords that you have in the tags and description, the better chance you have of taking the first spot on Google and YouTube. Conclusion and additional resources. YouTube has become the go-to destination for content creators looking to share their videos with the world. The platform provides a plethora of tools and features that can help you optimize your videos, as well as grow your audience. In this video, we have discussed various tips that you can use to get more views on YouTube. These tips will help you grow your subscriber base and increase traffic to your channel page, all without spending a dime on advertising.
Thanks for watching. Many more videos will come out soon, so make sure to subscribe. Cheers guys. Have a good one.